In this video, we are going to solve question number first of exercise number 7.1. The question is 2 minus x raised to the power 3. To expand this, we have a formula x minus a raised to the power n, which is nc0 x raised to the power n minus 0 a raised to the power 0 minus nc1 x raised to the power n minus 1 a raised to the power 1 plus nc2 x raised to the power n minus 2 a raised to the power 2 minus nc3 x raised to the power n minus 3 a raised to the power 3 plus ncr x raised to the power n minus r a raised to the power r plus dash 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 minus ncn x raised to the power n minus n and a raised to the power n. Now in the given question, the value of x is 2, value of a is x and value of n is 3. One more thing which is important is that the formula of NCR is n factorial divided by n minus r factorial and r factorial, and another one is 0 factorial is always 1. We are putting all the values in formula. So 2 minus x cube can be written as 3c0 2 raised to the power 3 minus 0 x raised to the power 0 minus 3c1 2 raised to the power 3 minus 1 x raised to the power 1 plus 3c2 2 raised to the power 3 minus 2 x square minus 3c3 2 raised to the power 3 minus 3 x raised to the power 3. To solve this, we can write in this form 3 factorial divide by 3 factorial 0 factorial into 8 minus 3 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 4 into x plus 3 factorial divided by 1 factorial multiply by 2 factorial into 2 into x square minus 3 factorial divided by 0 factorial 3 factorial multiply by 1 into x cube. To solve this, it can be written as 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 8, and the 3 factorial can be written as 3 into 2 factorial divided by 2 factorial, and we know 1 factorial is always 1 multiply by 4x plus 3 into 2 factorial divided by 2 factorial multiply by 2x square minus 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial multiply by x cube. Now cancel the terms and the remaining terms are 8 minus 12x plus 6x square minus x cube.